Dear students, we are getting into a new chapter. The name of the chapter is HCF and LCM. Some idea you have about the HCF and LCM concept in mathematics. Literally, HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM for lowest common multiple. But you will be trying to understand the basics of these two. What is it actually? तो आपको अभी HCF, LCM सुन के डरना नहीं है, because it is going to be very clear to you after the video. So be very attentive. Before trying to make you understand, let us recall what we know or what you know before going into the new concept. This is a simple presentation of division, and there are boxes in which you are asked to write down what is it actually. Here 36 is divided by 4 and 9 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. तो मैंने बोल दिया, यही सब आपको याद करना है. You are dividing a number which we call as dividend with which we are dividing, we named it as divider, जो divide करने वाला है. And the answer what we got is named as quotient, and balance of anything is there, we call it as remainder. You have to take care of the spelling of remainder because English में reminder भी है, उससे याद दिलाते इसमें बाकी दिखाते हैं. Okay, so this is what is something you should remember before trying to understand what is HCF and LCM. So here we understood one thing. 36 is divisible by 4. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. 36 is divisible by 4. How can we say that? We can say 36 is divisible by 4 because remainder is 0. Remainder 0 है, इसका मतलब 36 is divisible by 4. Or we know that in the table of 9 fours are 36. In the table of 4 9s are 36. That means 36 is a multiple of these two numbers. Or you have also studied that if you break 36 into small numbers, this becomes the factor of 36. Factor के बारे में भी आपने पढ़ा है. अगर आपको पूछेंगे, आप तो अभी घर में बैठा है, नो प्रॉब्लम, आपका वॉल है ना घर का, वो किससे बनाया है? तो आप बोलेंगे वो ब्रिक से बनाया है. करेक्ट, ब्रिक से बन गया ना अभी वॉल. फिर उसके ऊपर हमने कवरिंग किया या प्लास्टरिंग किया. तो the factors of our wall is nothing but bricks. छोटा पीस वही है. The same way, whenever we convert a number into its divisible, they are all factors of it. Whenever we convert a number into its divisibles, they are factors of it. Or whenever we multiply a number with any other number, we get its multiples. I will get into the detail very simply using your textbook itself. Here is another number divided by 9, but it is not divisible by 9 because there is a remainder. The quotient is here, the dividend is here, and here the divisor is here. Time बचाने के लिए ऐसा लिख रहे हैं. And here is a remainder. Because of this remainder, we said 65 is not divisible by 9. तो हमको क्या बताना पड़ेगा? 9 is not a factor of 65. Correct? So whenever we get divisor, dividend, remainder, from that we will conclude, looking at the quotient and all, we will conclude that 36 is divisible by 4, but 65 is not divisible by 9. From that we conclude that 36 के फैक्टर में 4 आता है. How do we know that factors of 36? Whichever number that can be in the by which we can divide 36 is a factor. How we know that? Every number is divisible by 1. 36 comes in the table of 2 also because it is an even number. It comes in the table of 3 also, 12 3s are 36. It comes in the table of 4 also, 9 4s are 36. 36, 6 6 are 36. The same way, 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 1 are 36. So all these became factors of 36. क्या चल रहा है जो पहले का knowledge let us recall में चल रहे हम, correct? If that is the case, if you think about another number 48, we will write 1 is there with 30, 2 is there because it's an even number, 3 is there, the total is 12, 4 plus 8 is 12, otherwise it comes in 16, 3s are 48, 4 is there because that sum is divisible by 4, 8 plus 4 12, divisibility आप पढ़ा है अभी एक चैप्टर में. 8 6 are 48, तो 8 आएगा, 12 4 are 48, 16 3, 24 2, 48 1. But if you are trying to write that of 65, you will write 1, 2 impossible because it is not having an even number at the unit place. 3, 6 plus 5 is 11, so 3 is not there. With 3 you cannot divide 65. Then 4 you cannot because 2 नहीं है तो 4 भी मुश्किल है, और 6 plus 5 is 11. Then 5, yes, unit digit is 5. 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 9 not possible, हमने देखा. 3 भी नहीं, 9 भी नहीं, 10 not possible. Understood? 11 not possible, 12 not possible, 13 possible. That means 13 and 5 are here. Now you have no option. Only 65 is left. 13 5. There is no much divisible because the number which is a multiplier already came. Understood? So the thing is that we know what is meant by a factor. Factor आपको समझा रहा है या याद दिला रहा था. Factors are those numbers by which we can divide, or it comes in the table. Whatever way you think the answer should be correct. So if you think about writing the common factors of 36 and 48, 36 का common factor इधर है, 48 का common factor इधर है, and if you write which are there in both, दोनों में कौन सा है लिखने जा रहा हूँ. So I have to mark those. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there in both common, 4 is there, 6 is there, 9 नहीं, 12 is there, 18 not here, 36 not here. So the common factors are 1, 12, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we will write that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Correct? These are the factors. Among these, which is the highest factor is the question. Sorry. Among these, highest common factor comes. This is the highest common factor. इसके आगे गया ही नहीं common factor. And the name of the chapter, half of the name is HCF, which means highest common factor. H for highest, सबसे बड़ा. C for common, ये सब. Factor आपको मालूम है. These are factors. Understood? So we just introduced the concept of highest common factor mathematically. क्यों मैं mathematically बोल दिया? स्टार्टिंग में बोला अपना डे टू डे सिचुएशन में भी हमको यूज करना पड़ता है, तो विद मैथमेटिक्स नहीं, हम अपना दिमाग यूज करते, सॉल्व करते. हियर इज अ सिचुएशन. दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड maths we are using in our day to day life. What is the situation? My aunt has brought 2 ribbons, different colors, उससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. One of 12 meters, other of 18 meters. Both ribbons have to be cut into pieces of same length. Oh, ribbon cut करने जा रहे हैं. What should be the maximum length of each piece? एकदम छोटा करने को बोले तो अच्छा है, एकदम scissors and cut it into small pieces. But here is a condition. You should cut it into pieces of same length, a condition, and that length should be the maximum possible. ज्यादा कट नहीं करना है. उससे बड़ा कट किए तो इक्वल नहीं होगा, ऐसा होना बनता है. Here comes the importance of highest common factor in practical life. एक रेड रिबन है जिसका लेंथ है 12 मीटर्स, दूसरा भी रेड हो गया, चलेगा माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वो रेड रहने दो ताकि पूरा रिबन रेड ही रेड मिलेंगे. कट पीस. Now you are asked to cut it into pieces of same length and maximum length it should be. तो नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं, 18 + 2 20 + 10 30 मीटर्स का रिबन है, हम उनको डिवाइड करता हम 30 का 2 नहीं बना सकते, 15 का 2 बनाएगा तो 15 का 2 बनाएगा तो या 12, ये 12 है, इसको 12 में कट किए तो वो भी गलत हो जाएगा. मैं थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट है आपका, हमारे मन में क्या क्या आता है वो सोचते. इधर कट किया तो क्या होगा, ये 3 मीटर बाकी रहेगा, नहीं इधर कट किया तो सॉरी ये 6 मीटर बाकी रह जाएगा, वो नहीं चलेगा. 3 पीस हो गया लेकिन अलग अलग साइज हो गया, हमको सेम लेंथ वाला चाहिए. अगर इसको इधर 6 किया, इसको 3 6 बन जाएंगे, ऐसा एक आइडिया है. तो दिस विल बी 2 6 and 3 6, करेक्ट. बट इज इट द मैक्सिमम लेंथ? हम 8 का पीस बना सकते हैं क्या इधर? नो. इफ यू मेक 8 here, 4 will be balanced. If you make 8 here, another 8 and 2 will be balanced. वो भी नहीं चलेगा. 6 चलता है तो 10 मीटर नहीं बना सकते. सो 6 इज द राइट आंसर रफली, मैं मेरे मन से इसे बोल लेता हूं. लेकिन मैथ्स कैसे काम करेंगे? देखो मैथ्स में क्या करना, क्या हमको हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ढूंढेगा तो जो आंसर मिलते हैं ना, दैट विल बी द राइट साइज. तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी नीड टू अप्लाई आवर लर्न्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 लिखेंगे. फैक्टर्स को 12 लिखने को बोलेगा तो हम कौन सा लिखेंगे? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 नहीं, 6 is a factor, 6 12s are 12, 12 is a factor, 12 1s are 2, 4 is a factor, सॉरी गलत कर रहे हैं, 4 ऑलरेडी लिख दिया ना. 6 is a factor, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12, बस इतना ही. When we think about the factors of next number, what is next number? 18. We will write 1 is a factor of 18, 2 is a factor of 18, 3 is a factor of 18, 4 is not a factor of 18, 5 nahi, 6 is a factor of 18, 7 is not, 8 is not, 9 is a factor of 18, 9 2s are 18. Then you are having a 9 के बाद, if you think you will get direct 80. Understood? The way I said before, this will be like this, this will be like this, this will be like this. चेक करने हैं कुछ मिस हो गया. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 6 into 3. Yes, clear हो गया. So these are the factors. If these are the factors, highest common factor कौन सा है? Which is the highest number common? This is common, this is common, this is common. आगे जाके this is common. So मैंने जो बताया वो करेक्ट हो गया बाय मिस्टेक, लेकिन हर टाइम हमारे अंदाज करेक्ट नहीं होगा. 6 is the answer. If you make it into pieces of 6, understood? Then you will be getting one cut here, another cut here, another cut here, and 3 pieces of 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Total 5 piece मिल जाएगा. अपना कंडीशन पूरा हो गया. Cut into pieces of same length, maximum length भी आ गया. So HCF बहुत सारी जगह पे काम आता है. पैकेजिंग में, एथलेटिक्स में, यस, और बहुत सारी सिचुएशन. आपको ये जो चैप्टर का जो भी क्वेश्चन है, आप आंसर करने के टाइम आप ये भी साथ में सोचने का क्या क्या सिचुएशन है. इधर सिचुएशन से समझेगा कि ये सब सिचुएशन में HCF LCM काम में आता है. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज वेरी कॉमन फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स व्हिच वेयर यू विल बी getting into big professional colleges, competitive exam where you will be getting job and all. So practical questions HCF LCM में आ जाता है. Understood? Let me go ahead. Okay, मैंने जो लिखने का था, of this I had already typed over here 12 and 18. 16 is the greatest. That means 16 is the greatest. That means 6 is the greatest. That means you will be having size 6 meters and there will be 5 pieces. ये मैंने आपको बता दिया. Okay, चलो we'll go ahead. And we have to clean the screen before that. Okay, chalo. Let us see, is there anything more to be explained? Yes. There are 20 kg of jowar and 50 kg of wheat in a shop. Okay. All the grain is to be packed in bags. 20 kg jowar है, 50 kg wheat है. अच्छा है. All to be packed in bag में डालने जा रहे हैं. Bags are to have equal weight. ऐसा बनाना है कि हर बैग का वेट इक्वल है. What is a maximum? ये वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Maximum weight of grain that can be filled in each. Equal और maximum साथ में आ गया. HCF का आइडिया यूज करना पड़ेगा. That is why we are in this chapter. So we will use that idea. Factors of 20 बनाएंगे. What are the factors of 20? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 not, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 6 not, 7 not, 8 not, 9 not, 10 is a factor, 20 is next. ये 10 आया तो ये आपका 2 का हो गया, 5 आया 4 का हो गया, 21 का हो गया, खत्म हो गया. Then factors of 50, 1, 2, 3 not, 4 not, 5, then 6 not, directly 10, 5s are 50, correct? Then 25 2s are 50, this one, then 50. These are the factors of both 20 and 50. Common factors are 1, 2, 5, 10, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 दोनों में नहीं है, 50 भी नहीं. ठीक है ना? तो फिर हम 10 kg का पैक्स बनाएंगे. करेक्ट? 20 kg जवार, 50 kg wheat, total 70 kg. हम जा रहे हैं बैग में बांधने के लिए. ये मेरा बैग है, मडका जैसा हो गया, चलेगा. And we will fill 10 kg in each. into 7 bags. If I go for making 20 kg, तो 50 का 20 plus 20 40 10 बाकी रहेगा. लोअर देन 10 करना नहीं, क्योंकि हमको मैक्सिमम वेट देना है, बैग का नंबर कम करना है, बट इक्वल होना है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट वी कैन मेक इक्वल वेट एंड ऑल द बैग्स. So my dear students, what we understand from this is, highest common factor is a factor which is in between two numbers and common and highest. That number, which is a factor, will help us to solve this kind of situations. This kind of situation comes in our day-to-day life. This kind of situation comes in your exam. Not only in your exams which you are going to write in future. Understood? Those exams will be important for you in your life, maybe for getting an entry into a professional college or professional course, maybe for getting a job. So my dear students, take this seriously and love to understand it and do the exercise. Look in the examples given in the textbook and spend time to grasp it. Maths cannot be learned on one day. It should be regularly practiced so that you will be able to get a proper grip on it. और maths exam के एक दिन पहले आराम करेंगे, so that आपने जो पहले करके रखा है ना, वो सब पेपर में लिखने में आएगा, एग्जाम में मार्क भी मिलेगा. Okay, that's all from me in this video. Thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.